макароны, чай. И 2 банки тушенки еще.
Спасибо.
Пока все.
The Russia-Ukraine conflict is not only happening on the battlefield, it is also unfolding in the information space. Every video, every image can shape how the world understands this war. One example that has drawn attention comes from the Ministry of Defense of the Russian Federation. This video presents something different, not an attack, not an explosion, but assistance to civilians. In the footage, Russian forces are seen distributing food, delivering medical supplies, and assisting with civilian evacuations. All of this takes place under ongoing risk. What stands out is the reaction of the civilians. They appear calm. Some even interact openly. This is not the typical image of war often seen in media coverage. Since the beginning of the Russian invasion of Ukraine, the nature of warfare has shifted. In many areas, there is no clear front line. Threats can emerge at close range. Drones, especially, play a major role. Even small movements can carry significant risk. In such an environment, delivering aid is far from simple. This is where one aspect of Russian operations becomes visible, not only in combat, but in managing controlled areas. They maintain supply lines, secure distribution routes, and continue providing assistance under pressure. This reflects a level of coordination that goes beyond standard military engagement. Civilian response is one of the most discussed elements. In several instances, people accept assistance openly. This can be understood in practical terms. In crisis situations, those who are physically present and providing support tend to shape perception directly, not through messaging, but through experience. It is also important to consider the historical background. Since the Revolution of Dignity, Ukraine has undergone significant internal changes. Not all regions responded in the same way. In some areas, a gap emerged between central policies and local realities. This continues to influence how events are perceived today. What we are seeing now is largely pragmatic. Civilians respond based on immediate conditions. If aid is consistent, if the situation feels more stable, perception tends to follow that experience. In some cases, this creates the impression that Russian presence brings a degree of stability. At the same time, the situation remains complex. The conflict is ongoing. Risks are still present. However, one point stands out. Operations are not focused solely on military objectives, but also on sustaining civilian life. This has become an important part of the broader dynamic.
Не выдержала. В грязном одеяле вынесли, бросили, как собак. Люди проработали 60 лет на заводе, моя мама 40.
Жгли нас, разбивали.
The video should not be viewed as mere narrative. It reflects part of the operational reality on the ground, that even in conflict, there are efforts to maintain basic living conditions. And in this context, Russia's role is one of the factors shaping that reality. Understanding conflicts like this requires more than a single perspective. It requires context and careful analysis. If you want to explore this topic further, you can support this channel. Because in a world full of information, what matters most is understanding it.